Oh, that thing should work. Oh, you're gonna...
I don't want to mess her block up.
You're gonna mess her thing up and then she's gonna get really mad at one of us.
Really mad. And I'm gonna say you. Are you recording me trying to get into this thing?
It's our law. We do whatever we want. What the hell you're doing?
I don't know what I'm doing.
I need a toothpick, an avocado, and a snorkel. I made bongs with less. What movie's that from, everybody?
Drill? Huh?
You threw, huh?
Yeah.
What'd you buy the store talking with?
Drill?
Careful, don't turn it on.
Should do the dealers though.
$5. $5. This one's, I think there was a reason why I got it for $5. Usually they're not that cheap.
That's the reason.
Oh, yeah. What did I buy this
fireplace
one for again? Oh, yeah, the fireplace. The fireplace, yeah.
You got that for $5?
Yeah.
There's got to be something good in there.
Yeah, this fireplace right here. You can see this little, what do they call that? Hibachi things or whatever? See right there?
Oh, yeah.
That's worth more than $5.
It's a fire pit.
Yeah, exactly.
For outside.
That's worth more than $5.
For the backyard or whatever?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Better than nothing.
That took me like an hour to drill that little lock. I'm pathetic.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, these little tools right here, man. Tell you what. What you guys think you got?
26,000 cash.
Cash money?
Yeah. Not 10.
Was it like hella buried in there? Like
It was just a random safe that was in. Look at that, brand new toy. That's worth more than $5 right there. It was buried in the back of the unit. You can actually see a video where we opened up the safe on my YouTube channel. Who's that?
They look familiar. Old neighbors?
oh no.
Oh, look at that, another brand new box.
Hey, she harassing the good guy?
Damn man. What? Just because I was friends with
You think we can do it right now?
Yeah, we're gonna get it all. It's
Right
no
now?
biggie. Look at this. Baby clothes. Aren't you having another baby?
No, I ain't having no boy.
Not having another baby.
My brother-in-law's having a boy, but that's a lot of...
All right, there you go.
I don't think so.
Got a teddy bear, a Mickey Mouse. Ooh, look at that. Cheap Pakistan.
Wolverine cards.
Official National League Baseball.
Sign, Babe Ruth.
No, it's not. It's signed by somebody.
It's a team. Sometimes
It's something. Probably A's.
He found a signed Babe Ruth ball before.
Really?
Look at that asshole moving in.
I didn't
Where?
know it's got to be right where the other one was.
They probably had some good stuff. That's $10. Maybe we can go like
-8.
put this way, top in here. So it's really $2.
$2, yeah.
$2.
What'd you say? This way, right?
It was feet in. Hey, sir.
We found the other half to that tire.
Ooh, nice.
Huffy.
This $5 unit's paying off.
$10.
That's a $15 bike.
$10.
Alex, you did a good job putting that bike up there.
Thank you.
It was, what was it?
Horrible.
It was not horrible. We got about $250 in stuff at the $25 unit.
I'd rather save my lungs.
Yeah, we're
You
gonna.
want to check these clubs out?
I don't really want to.
Callaway.
No. Where are you calling him the hardest working
Turn
man?
the camera off. You heard it go boop.
No, back the camera's on. She just called you the hardest working man in America, Alex.
Thank you. She realizes good work when she sees it.
She put you above Uncle Michael this time, even.
So Uncle Michael's not here.
Oh, because Uncle Michael's not here. Shout out to Uncle Michael.
That's cool.
If Uncle Michael's here, he's trying to sell us all this right now.
I get
You know
no
what? I
credit.
quit. I'm done. That's it.
Why? You want the camera for a minute and I'll do some work?
No, because then you can start running.
Look at that. That's that pays for the unit right there. You know that, right?
Yep. There's plenty of things in here that paid for the unit.
It's a good unit.
Who loaded this? Hey, at one point, that shit was.
We're not going to use my trailer tomorrow.
We're not too blind.
Yeah, I'm just saying I'm not gonna bring mine out tomorrow. I'm gonna drive the car.
Oh, all of a sudden.
All of a sudden, I'm not. We'll be lucky if the trailer even makes it to
Bulbs one day in some of these units.
Some what?
Some light bulbs.
I just gave you a light bulb.
Yeah, that was for the last unit though.
This
What
one's
about
blown out
unit?
No, it
too.
doesn't have a bulb either. Oh my god.
Stainless steel.
Can you change it?
We can change it, yeah.
$5. Yeah.
I'll still have cases of cookies available for you. Vince asked Tony's to come get cookies still. Oh, that for, what are those?
Period Club.
Period Club, yep. Ooh, what we got there? Some spectacles.
No, Dior. That's good.
Christian Dior?
Yeah.
Christian Dior.
Flea market fabulous. You guys don't pay. Take this to the flea market and get paid.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Here. I can't reach that.
My short ass ain't reaching up there.
Here,
I'm
you
not
hold
about
this.
to follow you, homie.
Why does that seem like it's going down?
I don't know. It's not working.
She said she's as tall as you.
She did, huh?
No? Get
What's
your hair
Yeah, yeah, funny. Funny.
What's that, the weed?
That I'm bald headed.
done?
She just called me bald headed in her own way. It's alright. I'll have hair one day. What you doing? That thing.
When we get rich, he's buying some. I'm buying him some for Christmas. Android? Oh, no, it's a iPhone.
G-Shock. Hello? Brown the flour real good. Make sure you brown it real good and then mix the water with it. That's
Liz,
it.
what are you cooking for dinner?
Brown it by itself. A little bit of grease.
What is she cooking?
Enchiladas.
Are they vegetarian enchiladas?
She's making
or
some
vegan
black bean and
enchiladas?
corn one. Black bean and corn.
Is she making vegan enchiladas?
Yeah, black bean and corn.
Black bean and corn. That's good. Can you bring some tomorrow?
Yeah, I can bring you some more.
Please.
Make some extra ones for Mike.
Make some extra
He wants
ones
to talk
for me.
shit about how you cook.
I love the way Liz cooks. If you're cooking, then I'm
All right,
scared
bye.
of. Ooh.
What?
I said I love
You're
Liz.
scared of my cooking, but see how she just called me?
Asking you how to cook?
Yeah, see, she sees the supposedly.
Jess, you should come by more often because he does not work
Hell
this
no, I
hard
don't.
normally. He
But I
does
gotta work
not
out
work
because
this
it's so
hard.
hard.
All of a sudden, he's trying to impress somebody. This is why I bought the unit right here.
That's why I be talking shit. 'Cause he just stays behind the camera the whole time while everybody else does the work.
That is wrong. You know damn good and well I am not lazy.
Out of pocket. See, you don't record when he says stuff like
Alex is a tremendously good worker. I'm very impressed by him. He's come a long way since I met him.
It's just because it's hella stuff to walk back and forth to the bathroom and the store. You
See
know,
that?
you're just taking little steps going back and forth from the truck to the
Every step I take should be double your step because my legs are short.
It's all about GPS location.
Couple pots down there. You know what this is? It's $30.
What was in that box? We didn't really get a chance to look.
There's some nice pots, some
Oh,
pans,
wow. That is some nice
spatulas,
pots and
blender,
pans.
Nor pots. Just like kitchen stuff, little Tupperwares.
Vito, are you gonna start to turn out to be something?
Little $30 box.
Here, let's take this couch out. The Book of Sith. Is that like the opposite of the Force?
It's like a devil book, dude. And the rest, it's like a food. Junk drawer, what I call it. Yeah, that's food. I'm surprised the rats weren't in here. Down here. Clothes. This unit looks rancid. Pico. Yep, it's clothes all the way through. Laundry stuff. Cleaners.
Can't believe you did this in my gimbal. What do you call that? $7 box?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a quick reveal here. Don't just spray that stuff on me. Oh, you're trying to get even with me because I always spray stuff on him.
You better edit while you're at work. No, we almost done.
What? No, we're good. Okay, guys, trying to go to the boxes real quick so we can just load it real quick.
Let's just blankets and more
You're going to be
blankets.
done by 6?
Time
Oh,
is
it's only gonna take us like 8 minutes. We just gotta get. Alex did that. He said he
yeah.
wanted to make sure Jess had to sweep everything. He did.
That's how you do me?
Yeah, he
That's what I
said I'm gonna make sure she out here sweeping.
Yeah, that's what I did. I was like, you know what? While I was sweeping, I was like, I'm just gonna leave all this rat shit in the corner.
I got you. Wait till next auction and be like, nope, this person died. It's gonna be all empty boxes.
It's
full of
all
rat
right.
shit.
We're gonna run it up and then let JW have that one. I can't. My number was 800. When I stopped at my number 800, I was upset when he bid 20. When he was at 1500, I was like nervous. I'm over here like
It was
screaming.
worth 1500.
No, it was not.
There's like a wood chipper in there. Aren't those expensive?
That's like $200 or $300. I think. Because you can go buy those new for like $1,200.
Base to a car seat.
Base to a car seat. You're very knowledgeable in the car seat area. Look at that. That's an $8 cord. Once again, that cord pays for the entire storage unit right there. We were $3 in the profit just off that cord. So we got to sell that. What is that? Duffel bag.
Skill saw.
Go get your money, little duffel bag. It's not a skill saw, is it?
Skill saw.
Nice. That's $20. All right.
Thank
Don't
you.
Don't leave us locked in here. We're gonna be out of here for 6.
$10.
Ooh, more than $5 in change. Haha, Michaela, this is what you get. You left and you can't get your half of that change. Are you still mad about this one?
I don't get mad at none of the units. Because I know every single unit we open is potentially life changing.
Every single unit is that where, like that commercial for Lotto goes, it was just another day until it was no longer just another day. We're waiting for that day. We got a white plastic pole. Ladies and gentlemen, a white plastic pole. It's weird as I turn the volume up on this camera and it's still making the noise.
26 cents.
Coffee pot. That's a Keurig.
Espresso.
Ladies and gentlemen, get it.
Ooh.
Skateboard. $10 skateboard. Dishes.
Nice
It's a little
set.
dark in here. I apologize. But we're fighting time.
Oh.
This will be the world's worst reveal. The rest of the
cups.
dishes.
It's a nice little $25 set, maybe. Maybe 30.
Maybe. I think we should just do a quick recap together on this one, Alex.
All right. So that was the unit. Bye.
Yeah, we're done.
No, that was the unit. Bye. If you want to see every unit, just rewind and watch it again.
Hustle, grind, rewind. Thank you. We love you. Bye. Yes, I did just kiss my finger with the rat poop on it. Yeah, we're not going to do a recap, right? No recap?
no.
No recap.
That was a recap.